Welcome to Map My Customers. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to manage contacts by importing them into the platform. Having a continuous stream of contacts makes for a healthy funnel, so using this feature along with the lead generator is important for outside sales execution. To start adding a contact individually, click the plus sign in the top right corner of the dashboard, and then choose Add Contact. When filling out these fields, make sure you at least have the name when adding a contact, or you will not be able to save the other information in the platform. Once you're done completing the fields, click Save and the contact will now be successfully saved. Contacts can also be added to the platform in bulk by running an import. To do this, click the plus sign once again and then click Import. Make sure you have a spreadsheet that is a CSV file or an Excel file. It should follow our spreadsheet format guide so that your contacts are imported correctly. Each column will need a header row at the top, and a sample file can be downloaded to have a visual example of what these columns should look like. If you end up having any problems, you can read our step-by-step import guide on our help page. Once you've checked that your file is ready for import, click on Start New Import. Now choose Contacts and then review all the data in your file. You'll be checking for commas, header labels, company or contact information, and the correct address. When you're able to check off all of these criteria, you'll click Next to get to step 3 so you can drop or select your file. After you've dropped your file, you can decide if you want the imports to update existing customers, if you want them to be unmapped, or even if you don't want the address information standardized by Google. Last but not least, you'll need to match your column headers to standard Map My Customers fields so that they're saved in the appropriate sections. Go ahead and click Next, and you've successfully completed an import. Keep in mind that the Map My Customers platform also integrates with your current CRM technologies and can be synced periodically in order to keep information up to date in the platform. Thank you for using Map My Customers, and we hope that this tutorial was of help to you.